it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do remember that at 11 o'clock UK time, in the morning I should say, I will be doing my usual coffee and card Facebook Live, and that will be on my business page, which is linked in the information below, so I would be thrilled to join you, and there's always a giveaway, just saying. I do repeat them on YouTube a few days later, but just so you know, if you want to join me live, that's how you can. So Top Tip Tuesday, my top tip for today is, let's see, we are on the 21st of April. Tomorrow, the 22nd, is when we see what's on the retirement list. As demonstrators, we get to see a soft copy of the new annual catalogue. But we also get to see the retirement list. So now is the moment to start thinking about getting things before they disappear. And one thing I can guarantee will be on the retirement list is anything in colour. The only way it wouldn't be on the retirement list is if they change out some of the colour families and keep one of the InColors. So Mint Macaron, for example, was an InColor. Poppy Parade at one point was an InColor, and sometimes they do get kept on. However, other than that, I can guarantee you that the InColors will go. I can pretty much guarantee that most of the designer series paper, if not all, will go. So this uses InColor products. I think I've got something of all of the InColors on here because we've got Pineapple Punch, Calypso Coral, Call Me Clover, Lovely Lipstick, and Blueberry Bushel. Now there isn't actually a Grapefruit Grove blend, but you can use the light Calypso Coral instead, which will hopefully still be there. But these will be going. So Stampin' Right markers in the InColors will be going. These will be going. More importantly, the re-inkers, which at the point when I recorded this video, which was a couple of days ago, the InColor re-inkers were still available. I can't guarantee they will be now because people will be jumping on the bandwagon. InColor cardstock, this happens to be a multi-pack, but all the InColor cardstock. InColor ribbon, and it's the narrow grosgrain, and I don't have them, but the InColor buttons will all be going. So if you want anything in colour, you need to get it now. As far as I am aware, and again I can only say I don't know whether this will be different, the InColor blends will also be going. We've got Pineapple Punch, Lovely Lipstick, and Call Me Clover in blends. So as far as I am aware, these will be going. So my top tip is to get in early if you want any of the InColor items before they disappear. Because one thing I can pretty much guarantee is once they are gone, they will not be restocked, because come the beginning of June, we won't be carrying them anymore. So if you want it, now is the moment to get it. You can do that by just jumping onto my online store. There's a link for that below. I will put a link to all of the InColor items that I can find below. And over on my website, you will find that there is a link to all of the InColor products. So I will make it as easy for you as I possibly can. Do not miss out. Once they are gone, they are gone. The other thing that, as I say, I would expect to go is all of the designer series paper. I've only known one designer series paper carryover. So I think it is highly likely that all of the designer series paper will go. And the other thing I can guarantee will go is the bundle price on any of the items that are in the annual or Spring Summer mini catalogue that are bundled. So even if the stamp set and the punch or dies carry over, the 10% discount won't. So if you want the discount, now is the moment to get them. So that's it really. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope some of you can join me at 11 o'clock for my Facebook Live. Fingers crossed technology will be on our side 2 weeks in a row. And I look forward to seeing you then. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next time you can join me. Thank you very much indeed. Do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon.